Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have an empties video for you. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into the video. I don't have that much this time. I usually have my bin overflowing with empty products, but I filmed one and I lost all of that footage. That was like, I think in June. So I've only been collecting this stuff for about a month, and we went on vacation for a whole week. So there isn't that much, but I want to empty this out because I need to clean my beauty room. Like, just don't even look back there. It's a mess everywhere. You should see my vanity right now. Okay, so we're gonna jump into this. And I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I went through this last month, and I will tell you guys if I will repurchase it again or not. So the first thing that I have here is from Clairol, and this is their Black Root Cover Up. The problem with dark hair when you get older is I get a lot of gray hairs. They come in very fast. I will have to dye my hair every 2 weeks, or you will just see a gray strip right down the center of my head. Picked this up because I thought since it's for the roots, that maybe it will cover up the grays a little bit better. It doesn't after 2 weeks. After like a week, I can start seeing the grays, and then after 2 weeks, they're just fully there. So it just didn't work for me. So this is a no-go. I will not be repurchasing this ever again. And if I do, you guys need to yell at me. The next thing that I have here is from Kiss, and this is their So Wispy Lashes. I believe this came with 5 sets, something like that. I just have the empty packaging. I did like them, and I will be repurchasing them. The next thing that I have is from Kiss, and I finally picked up some clear eyelash glue. I used to only have black, and if you're not that good with eyelashes, I would not go with a black color. I would go with clear because it makes a huge mess. So I finally picked myself up some clear stuff, and I like it. I have 2 deodorants. Next month, you guys will not see any of this deodorant anymore because I changed it up and I'm trying something different. But this is the Clinical Strength deodorant from Secret. I sweat really bad, and I just feel like this was the only thing that worked for me. But like I said, I'm trying something different, so stay tuned. I'm sure that there was more than 2 things of deodorant. I probably just threw them away because I go through them a lot and very fast. The next thing is my KKW perfume. This is the body perfume. I'm not sure, what is this called? It's the KKW Body No. 3 perfume. Kim just announced a couple weeks ago that she will be relaunching her makeup and perfumes. You guys, I am so excited. I'm going to buy all of the perfumes once they launch. Her perfumes are my favorite. The price is right, and the quality is amazing, and the smells are incredible. So yes, I'm going to. Everyone talks about like all these high-end perfumes, but no one really talks about KKW, and I don't know why. I don't know what I'm really missing out on, because I love her perfumes. I think they are amazing. The next thing that we have here is some cotton rounds. You get 100 of them, and I go through them very fast, like extremely fast, but they're only like a dollar or 2. So I finally went through this strengthening and whoa, calm down, Billy. Strengthen and Sleek Coconut Heat Protection Spray. This stuff is a little dangerous, just a little. You don't want to overuse this, or your hair is going to look very oily. So what I will do is I will spray it on my hands most of the time, rub it together, and then put it in like the ends of my hair. you just don't want to go in too much because you'll start looking oily. I went through my Glow Recipe toner. This was the mini one that I picked up like a year ago. A year ago in September. Yeah. And I absolutely love it. So I'm going to be purchasing the big boy. I also went through the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. This was good. Will I repurchase it? I mean, it's not, it didn't leave like a imprint on me. Imprint? Yeah, I think that made sense. So I don't know. I don't know if it's on sale, yes. If I need a setting spray, I will buy this one, but I feel like there's so many out there that I want to try. I don't know if I'm going to be rushing to go pick this up. And then I went through this Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. I was so confused. I was on vacation and I forgot to pick up some lotion, so we went to Walmart and I bought this. I really liked it. I liked the consistency of it, the feel of it, the smell of it. It was all amazing. And then I realized it wasn't cruelty free, so no, I will not be repurchasing that. I did not go through this. I did not like this. I don't even know. It's from the brand PIPL. It's their eyelash cream. It has a weird smell to it and I just didn't like anything about it. So it's a no-go. I have 3 products left and they're all powders. The first one is from Jaclyn Cosmetics. This powder is really nice to just mattify your skin. There is another one that she has that kind of leaves your skin a little dewy looking. I like that one for underneath the eyes, and I like this one all over the rest of my face. I do like a lot of Jaclyn's products, so I will be repurchasing this guy. This Hourglass Vanishing, I'm saying that wrong, translucent setting powder. You guys, I had this for years upon years upon years. At this point, I feel like this powder is just part of my family. It was nice. I had a mini one that I went through, and then I went through this big bad boy. I want to repurchase this. I don't know when I will be doing that because this is kind of expensive. The last thing that I have here is from Pat McGrath, and the back wore off, so I don't know what it was called, but this is the powder for underneath your eyes. Look at that, you guys. I 100% used all of it. At first, I wasn't a fan of this powder. I didn't really like it. I felt like it dried out my under eyes. And then as I used it, I started to love it. That's the reason why it's completely gone. It was amazing. I want to repurchase this again. It's really nice for underneath the eyes. And that is it. It is empty and dirty. I don't know how to clean it, so we don't clean it. I am going to be uploading a bunch of videos. I saw your guys' comments. We did hit 2,000 subscribers, so I am working on a giveaway for that. That will be coming, I don't know. I don't honestly know when it's going to be coming because we are at the end of summer and this is usually the busiest time of the year besides Christmas. I don't know when I will be doing my 2,000 subscriber giveaway, but just know it is coming. I will be doing it at some point, hopefully in August. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mom!